Alright, fidgets that I recommend, in my opinion. We can start off with the Among Us Poppet. It's really... both of its sides are good. Now, we're moving on. Just get that out of here. Don't really think this is a fidget, but it's still really nice. And we have, this I don't really recommend. It's still pretty cute, but I don't really play with it that much because it's really easy to squeeze out in only the middle one. And in the other ones, it's hard to squeeze out the other ones. And after playing with this for a while, this kind of gets boring. Infinity Cube. Definitely do recommend this if you're bored sometimes. Sometimes it may get boring as the only thing you're doing is just boom, boom, boom over and over again. But it's still really cool. Sometimes I put it into my name. If I'm bored, I put it into my name, like, takes a minute. Yeah, but you guys get what I mean. And then we got the I call them coronavirus balls. I call them coronavirus. Because if you look here, it says China on it. Probably won't be able to see, but it says China right on. You obviously wouldn't be able to see it, but it says China on these. That's why I call it coronavirus. And we got, we got these mochis, whatever you call them. I don't really in my opinion, they're not really a fidget, but they still are really cool. Hey ladies, drop it down. Just want to see you touch the ground. They're really cute. And I do recommend them. They're really cute. And they do look like one of my little kitties that I have right now. I keep them together so they don't lose their stickiness. But yeah, I'm going to put this right here. And the last one. This is really nice. I can put it on your ring. Oh, no, not on the ring finger. I reckon it's really nice. But sometimes they do hurt, but they're still really cool to play with. Alright. I'm gonna go because I don't like making videos that are higher than 4 minutes, except for that Samsung. Alright, bye.